got this fly shotgun. It shoots like salt at them. Sometimes the salt gets in my eye, and I'm like, ah!
How?
Anyway.
What? Do you like look in it like a cartoon?
No, so I'll shoot the fly, and then it like falls down, and if it didn't die, it's like shimmying on the ground. I'm like, oh no, bud, your wings aren't working anymore. Oh, that's and then I end their lineage.
I don't use a salt shotgun. I use a real shotgun.
Wait, what?
On a bug?
My walls look like Swiss cheese.